Welcome everyone, we are happy you are here with us today.
Hi friends! Welcome to our English video at this networking event.
Today you will learn simple English for networking, conversation starters, and easy follow-up questions.
This lesson is mostly A1 level, with some easy B1 phrases later.
Please subscribe, like this video, and share it with a friend learning English.
Comment below and tell us which country you are watching from today.
Hey Jessica, it is good to see you here tonight.
Hi Ryan, I am happy you are here. I feel nervous.
You feel nervous because there are many new people and English conversations, right?
Yes, I worry my English is bad and people will not understand.
I will coach you. Let us practice very simple conversation starter sentences now.
Okay, thank you. Simple sentences sound good for me right now.
First, you can say, "Hi, I am Jessica. What is your name?"
Hi, I am Jessica. What is your name? That feels okay.
Great. Now we walk inside together and try more networking phrases in context.
Okay, let us go in. I will try to be brave.
Look around. Many people are also a little nervous, not only you.
That helps. But starting a conversation still feels difficult for me.
Imagine you stand in line for coffee. You can say, "Busy event," right?
Busy event, right? Yes, that sounds short and easy to say.
"Hi, I am Ryan. What do you do?" That is another starter.
Hi, I am Jessica. What do you do? I like this one.
After they answer, you can ask, "How long have you worked there?"
How long have you worked there? That is a little harder. More B1.
Exactly. It is a B1 question, but you can use it confidently.
How long have you worked there? I think I can remember this.
Let us sit here and build a complete mini conversation step by step.
Good idea. My brain feels calmer when the room is not so loud.
Part 1, greeting. Part 2, introduction. Part 3, question. Part 4, follow up.
So I say hello, say my name, ask, then ask a follow-up.
Okay, you try everything together now, like you speak to a new person.
Hi, I am Jessica. What do you do? How long have you worked there?
To finish, you can say, "It was nice talking with you. Enjoy the event."
It was nice talking with you. Enjoy the event. That sounds very polite.
Now you have a full script. Are you ready to talk to someone?
Yes, I feel more confident. I want to try with a real person.
I will stand nearby. You can start with your name or the event.
Okay, I will say, hi, I am Jessica. Busy event, right?
Remember, if you forget something, just smile and ask a simple question.
Right. I can always ask, what do you do? That feels safe.
You did it. How was your conversation? Tell our viewers what happened.
It went well. I used our script and even added one extra question.
Thank you for watching. Practice these networking phrases and we will see you next time. Goodbye, Jessica.
Thanks everyone for learning with us today. Keep practicing, and goodbye, Ryan. Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. I am Jessica, your English teacher. Today, we will study English from our story. How long plus have plus past participle? Friendly seeing phrase. It is good to see you here tonight. It is plus adjective plus to plus verb pattern. Polite closing options. It was nice talking with you. Enjoy the event. Imperatives can be friendly. Inclusive let us invites. Let us practice. You can say on can is softer than will. I will coach you. Will shows intent. Past simple for results. It went well. Try to plus verb pattern. I will try to be brave. Want to plus verb pattern. I want to try with a real person. I will explain grammar, verbs, and sentence use. I will explain why these phrases sound polite. Conditional softener if. If you forget something. Simple imperatives for help. Just smile. Ask a simple question. Emotion hedges, feel, think. I feel nervous. I feel more confident. I think I can remember this. Adverb softener, a little. A little nervous, stronger negative with will not. People will not understand. Plan the flow in parts. Part 1, greeting. Part 2, introduction. Part 3, question. Part 4, follow-up. Look around. Stand in line for coffee. I will show when to use them in real life. Greeting plus name is clear. Ready check is polite. Are you ready to talk to someone? Hi, I am Jessica. Present simple for identity. Ask for names politely. What is your name? Job question uses do support. What do you do? Do plus subject plus base verb order. Short event comment opener. Busy event right? Tag right, softens tone. Duration with present perfect. How long have you worked there?